Build a Computer is a totally new way to acquire a computer. One, we help you design it to what you want, not what somebody's willing to sell you. We acquire all the parts to build that unit. And third, we assist you with over-the-shoulder building. You have the opportunity here to build anything from basic systems all the way up to advanced gaming, home theater, and whether you build it or we build it, we think you should participate in the design process. You get a lower cost computer with quality components and better warranties, and it's exactly what you wanted.